Good day, everyone. Today we will explore one of the most clinically important drug-food interactions, grapefruit juice, and its potentially dangerous effects on drug metabolism. This topic is extremely high-yield for MBBS students because it connects pharmacokinetics with real-life clinical scenarios. By the end of this lecture, you will clearly understand the mechanism, clinical consequences, and how to prevent such interactions in practice. Drug-food interactions overview. Drug-food interactions occur when dietary components influence how drugs behave in the body. These effects may occur during absorption, metabolism, or elimination. For example, milk can reduce drug absorption through chelation, whereas grapefruit juice uniquely alters drug metabolism by inhibiting enzymes. This makes grapefruit juice interactions more dangerous and clinically significant. Cytochrome P450 system. The cytochrome P450 system is a group of enzymes responsible for metabolizing drugs. These enzymes are present in both the liver and intestinal lining. CYP3A4 is the most important ISO enzyme, responsible for metabolizing nearly half of all drugs. Its location in the intestine makes it particularly relevant for oral drug interactions. First-pass metabolism. First-pass metabolism refers to the breakdown of drugs before they reach systemic circulation. This occurs mainly in the intestinal wall and liver. CYP3A4 enzymes reduce drug concentration and act as a protective barrier against toxicity. When this mechanism is inhibited, drug levels rise significantly. Grapefruit juice components. The key components in grapefruit juice responsible for drug interactions are furanocoumarins. These compounds bind to CYP3A4 enzymes and inactivate them irreversibly. As a result, enzyme activity is lost until new enzymes are synthesized, making the effect long-lasting. Mechanism of interaction. When grapefruit juice inhibits intestinal CYP3A4, drugs escape metabolism during absorption. This leads to increased bioavailability and elevated plasma concentrations. Even normal doses may become toxic due to this effect. Drugs affected. A wide range of commonly prescribed drugs are affected. Statins may cause muscle toxicity, calcium channel blockers can lead to hypertension, and sedatives may cause excessive CNS depression. Immunosuppressants and antiarrhythmics can reach dangerously high levels, leading to serious complications. Clinical consequences. The consequences of this interaction can be severe. Statin toxicity may lead to rhabdomyolysis and kidney injury. Excess antihypertensive effect can cause hypertension and syncope. CNS depressants may cause respiratory depression. In some cases, fatal arrhythmias may occur. Duration of effect. A key clinical point is the prolonged effect. Even a single glass of grapefruit juice can inhibit enzymes for up to 72 hours. This happens because new enzymes must be synthesized to restore activity. Therefore, simply separating drug and juice intake does not eliminate the risk. Prevention and clinical practice. Prevention is the most effective strategy. Patients should be clearly advised to avoid grapefruit juice when taking susceptible medications. Healthcare professionals must always check whether a drug is metabolized by CYP3A4. Patient education plays a crucial role in preventing serious and potentially life-threatening interactions. Thank you for watching this lecture. In today's session, we explored how grapefruit juice can significantly alter drug metabolism through inhibition of CYP3A4 enzymes, leading to potentially dangerous and even life-threatening interactions. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for safe prescribing, effective patient counseling, and preventing adverse drug events in clinical practice. I hope this lecture has helped you strengthen your pharmacology concepts and apply them in real-life scenarios. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more high-yield medical lectures. Thank you once again, and I would be happy to take any questions.